Hello, this is Mrs. White, and welcome to your debate mini lesson on opening statements. Lesson is going to teach you how to successfully capture the audience's attention and get them on your side. So, what is an opening statement? This is a debate team's opportunity to present their viewpoint and reasons on the topic that is being discussed. An opening statement includes a hook, which grabs and captures the audience's attention right away. The team's claim, which is the we say statement, the team's reasons that support their claim, the evidence and where they found the evidence, a summary to wrap up their main points, a powerful concluding sentence that convinces the audience to believe what they say. Let's start with the hook statement. A good debate team will grab the audience's attention at the very beginning with a hook statement. There are 4 types of hook statement that you can use. The first one is an unusual detail that goes along with and supports the claim and reasons. Number 2, an alarming or interesting statistic or fact that goes with the claim. A quote to support your claim or reasons. And a question to ask the audience to get them thinking about your topic. This question can be a yes or no question, or to help your audience connect a little more rather than just yes and no. Try to make it a deeper thinking question where the answer isn't always yes or no. This is the example opening statement that Mrs. Murphy and I created for our sneaking movie snacks into the movie theater. So let's start and read the sentence in yellow. Movie theater owners don't actually make any money or a profit on selling movie tickets. So, do you know how they stay in business? By charging high prices for buttery popcorn and other snacks. So what we did here is in the first sentence, we have presented the audience with a interesting fact because most people believe that movie theaters actually do make money by selling tickets. The second thing we did is we asked the audience a question in order to help them understand where's all this money coming from. So right away, the audience should understand that we are going to focus on movie theater owners and how they make their money. The next part of your opening statement is the claim. This is the opportunity for you and your team to present your viewpoint on the issue. First, state the counterclaim. They say statement. Remember, in arguing, it's very important to acknowledge the other side of the argument. After you have stated the counterclaim, then you'll state your claim. Along with your claim, you need to state the 3 reasons with your evidence in this portion of the opening. You will want to tell the audience where you found your evidence. Looking at this example, it's the same one from the movie. You'll notice that at the beginning of the orange, this is right after our hook statement. The orange sentence starts with, some people say that movie snacks are overpriced and it is acceptable to sneak food into the theaters. That is the they say statement. That is the opposite side of our argument. The next orange sentence, starting at however, sneaking food into the movie theater is a large problem that negatively affects movie theater owners. This is our claim statement. We have given our viewpoint along with a general reason why we are against the sneaking food into the movie theater. In the green sentences, this is where we have started by listing our first reason, along with where we got the information and a quote to support what we're talking about. The last sentence is our explanation. So I'm going to start by reading at the first. The first reason people should not sneak food into the movie theater is because people who sneak food are not spending money at the food counter, which decreases the amount of money movie theater owners make. According to Justin O'Neill, author of Is It Okay to Sneak Food into the Movies?, owners need money to pay employees, maintain the buildings, and more. Without the money from the snack counter, the movie theater owners cannot afford to pay their bills, employees, or other expenses, thus forcing many owners out of business. The next part of your opening statement is a summary of the claim and reasons. This is your team's opportunity to just restate the claim and the reasons in a new and interesting way to try to convince the audience to believe what you are saying. Remember, 5 minutes is a very long time for people to pay attention. You want to restate your claim as often as possible and in as many ways as possible so that people really understand your viewpoint. The last sentence in your opening statement should be a powerful concluding statement. It is your last opportunity to make the audience choose your side. You need to say this with passion. As soon as your powerful concluding statement is done, the opposite side will profess their claim and reasons. So you want to make sure you've made a lasting impression on your audience so they remember that your side is the one you want them to pick. So again, we're going to focus on the example that Mrs. Murphy and I created, and we're going to focus on the blue sentence and the orange sentence at the bottom. So in the blue sentence, it says, in conclusion, the people who sneak food into movie theaters are not only breaking the rules, but are also forcing movie theater owners into early retirement because they are forced to close the theaters due to lack of money from snack profits. I have re-summarized all of my information and my reasons as well as my claim statement in that sentence. The next orange sentence says, so the next time you're planning a night at the theater, bring the extra money to buy the snacks at the snack counter. You are helping your favorite movie theater stay in business. The last sentence is my powerful concluding statement so that I can help other audience members realize just how important it is to pay for snacks at the theater. At this time, you're going to go to Polaris. Okay, and you'll notice that the argument writing folder, you're going to open that. You're going to go into the debate organizers. You will want to open the debate opening statement organizer. This is the organizer that will walk you through every step of the way the information that was just presented in the slides. Please fill this out. It would be wise to use complete sentences because this is a good tool to have with you for your debate. So again, here is your hook statement box, the statement in which you define your position, the we say, the reason one to support your position, the evidence, citing, all of it. Okay? All right. Good luck. Please argue well.